Hi, my name is Jessie. I'm head of animal care here at Rockwood Nature Center. The Nature Center is located at the back of Rockwood Park. We do house about 30 different reptile exhibits here at the center, and today we're going to give you an up-close look at those reptiles, how we house them, and how we take care of their needs. So to start with, let's talk about what is a reptile. Reptiles are covered in scales. Those scales actually are made of keratin. And that's the same thing that makes our fingernails. So if you do feel your fingernail, that's pretty much what a reptile scale will feel like. Reptiles are also cold-blooded. And all that means is that their body temperature is not constant. It changes with their environment. So the lamps that you see actually provide heat for our reptiles to warm up, and their houses actually provide shade for them to cool down. Reptiles also have varied diets. Some are herbivores, which means they do feed on different types of plant matter, fruits and veggies. Some are omnivores, which means they pretty much eat everything. Different types of plant matter, they will also feed on maybe insects or other animals. And some are carnivores, like our friend the toad, who does feed on all insects, or like all types of snakes, which feed on other animals. Reptiles also come from many different environments. Some of them are fully aquatic, such as turtles, which always live in the water. They will come out to bask in the sun to warm up, but they do return to the water. Some are always on the land that can't swim, so they won't go into deep water. Like tortoises, they cannot swim, but you may find them in shallow puddles. Some reptiles depend on adaptations, such as our snapping turtle, whose nose and eyes are adapted to be on top of his head, so that's all he has to stick out of the water to breathe, and he doesn't have to show the rest of his body. Some animals depend on camouflage to hide, such as our fishing spider, which blends perfectly well into bark, or our copperhead, whose brown and tan colors will help to blend her perfectly into the leaf litter or the forest floor, or the green snake, who's this bright green color to help look like a vine hidden in a shrub or a tree. Some snakes also rely on mimicry, where they mimic more dangerous animals, like our milk snake, whose bright flashy colors mimic the coral snake, which is a venomous snake, or our water snake, whose colors mimic the cottonmouth. And some reptiles, like the ones that live here in Virginia, which has a summer and a winter, will hibernate through the winter. All reptiles are considered wild animals, like Joker here, who does still have a fear of people. The only reason he is here in the Nature Center is because he was injured and is unable to live on his own anymore. Some wild animals can be tamed though, which means they lose their fear of people and can be handled like this snake here. Domesticated animal like pets, like dogs or cats, are animals that have been bred to be with people and depend on people. They aren't able to live in the wild. So that's only a few of the animals we have here at Rockwood Nature Center. You're welcome to come and visit us if you want to see and learn more.